Take one. Yeah. Take the German. Yeah.
How come I can
find them.
Inside, they're playing right now.
Here, you can have this.
You guys, go inside.
Yeah.
Hey, no kids out here. Dude, my goggles are fogging. I can't see. My goggles are fogging.
The light. Let's do the sensor.
I'm gonna move this way. No, I'm gonna move this way. I'm scared. I don't want to move. You don't even have my sweater on? Yeah, but I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna get hit by the gun. And you don't have any goggles. No goggles.
Dead man walking.
Oh, hi, Dee. Are you out? Are you out?
Winner! Stop! Damn! Stop! 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 I thought you wrote it.
Dude, like...
Huh?
Oh, fuck.
Hey, it's not working. Like, I don't know. Is my vision on it?
Yeah. No, you're good.
Okay.
How long have you been playing?
5 years.
Oh, they put the bargain off now?
Yeah. I'm just gonna throw these things. Because that's broken. I went outside. Oh, okay. They were like, oh shoot, Moody, you just missed it. You just missed the husky chase. We went through a park and everything. 5 cops couldn't even catch us. Oh, they did. I think I was scanning. Like, oh shit. And they came over to my house and they calmed down and we told my kids, you know, we're asleep. We're just resting. And then... No. And then they went down Louise, street. He went up it, stopped, bailed, took off running. Yeah, hell on the head.
You're getting no?
Turn it off, Uncle.
There's
Is that good enough, the lighting? Oh.
Oh, I'm not standing there. Oh, freak. Oh, Jesus. Kind of close, guys. You're stupid!
Whoa, hey! We're over here. Whoa.
Tumble! Start tumbling! I'm on the ground! Who's that?
Hey.
Oh, it's not safe!
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my God. How many? 6, I think?
Yeah, 6. 3 in each. 3 each.
I can't feel it. That's I'm taking pictures!
I'm not taking care of my glue. Iraq.
I can't see.
Right.
Oh wait, there I got him. Okay, that was Jason. That's kind of easy.
Winner! Stop!
That's funny.
Flag.
You captured it and broke it.
Almost shot me in the head, Rick, bastard. I fell off again. So we're not playing flag? You don't have to. It's forever now.
I say you move the flag from one corner to the other. Because that center thing's not working.
I say we play Civil War. Wait. Oh! Come back then if you want. Come back. Okay, come back then.
Why is she there?
She wants to take pics.
Pictures of you
Oh, she
guys.
wants to like in the...
In action.
In action!
In action?
Yeah.
Alright, good, stay there. Stay there.
Wait, Run, you ready? Run.
She's fire base. She's hostage.
DJ, you ready? Alright, on 3, guys.
Hey, what clip? What
You're
clip?
not- Yeah, one clip, dude. Alright, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Three times!
Okay, GG's out.
Bastard! That shit hurt. It got me, dude.
Person standing on what team wins.
Ah, in the ear, in the head.
Hey, you want some ice cream to cool it down? Some cake?
That fucking hurt.
Oh, Ronnie too, but he didn't get it.
You should have just shot me first. And then you got to drop the
I
flag.
didn't know. You probably just like... Before you get hit.
Yeah, I got hit 3 times, and all 3 BBs hit me at the same time. Like, I was like,
Wake up next morning, hey, 3 dots. Whoa!
too quiet. Feel like it when you just die. No strategy.
Oh no, Rick, put on your scanner.
Hey, I got hit in the head 3 times, so take it like a man. Oh shit, the BBs are coming this way, guys. Be careful.
Wait, no.
Where'd you get hit, Jerry? Stupid. Oh, what's up? Crossfire. Rick's empty, Rick's empty. Take him out!
Get out! Oh, who's that?
Who's left?
Arvin's left.
Arvin's left?
Oh,
Oh,
that happened.
all 3 of you guys are in.
I got hit in the head. I got hit in the head 3 times.
Let me see your mouth. Jeremy!
Oh, damn.
Jeremy, leave my ball.
Chasing you. Is it scary?
No, but Mama Ricky freaking
And then this is normal.
No, well.
How
does my head want to play next? Huh? Anybody else? Yeah, sure.
Jesus.
Crazy. What are you playing right now?
They're playing, I think, all out. Little kids versus the older kids.
Oh.
Dang, yeah, you know who's gonna win.
And that one has infrared? I mean, night.
Night.
Yeah, night vision.
Ow! Shoot! He's out again. What happened to you now? We got the hole in his nose, dude.
Fucking big up.
Crying! He's crying! Oh my god, he's crying!
Medic!
Jeremy, your mom thinks you can go home soon.
You're not crying.
You're crying because you're going home soon?
You don't work. You got 2 minutes. That plan did not work whatsoever.
But you had a good position, though.
Yeah, but I got tagged by Jake, fucking cheater.
How did he get you? Where was he at?
That one right here. I didn't see him. Fucking got me goggles. Fuck. What time is it?
I don't know.
7:30 or 7:25.
I'll get that. I want to pick him.
Yeah, he's gonna bring a real gun.
Well, he played with us last time.
Does he look good?
One game.
Does he look good, though?
No, he got Rod. He just played against Rodney. He bum rushed Rod. That's what I said. Jeremy, I was like, what the fuck's over there?
Too close. Oh my god. Oh, dude, like that fucking
Oh, these look good.
It's got me in the knee! There's no cover right there!
I didn't even know Jay was there, dude. You should have told me I was fucking got shot in the goggles.
No, Jay wasn't saying it. Jay was over
Oh,
here.
dude,
Jay
Mama
got
went
me.
though.
Dude, he got me right in the knee right here. There's no cover.
Bye, Mama.
Right there. It's all
And
taken
I
away.
Allah.
Yes, he did.
Oh, shoot. It's over.
Shit, my goggles.
I'm gonna get hit. Oh,
Oh.
Reverse it now. You guys. You gotta get the other side. You bastard up your goggles. I didn't see you.
Sounded like the kid.
I know, he's like... Dude, they're hella close.
So you right behind me?
No, I can't see because my goggles are foggy. My goggles are foggy.
Guys are being raided.
It's over, dude.
Jeremy!
Where is he going? Not here?
Go hide!
Hey, what the innocent people!
Right there. No! I broke it.
Joey, see, so you dropped it again?
I'm eating candy.
Where's Mama Ricky? Why are you eating candy?
I got candy. Right at the end. Do you see this thing?
Man, my freaking gun got jammed. That's why
His gun got jammed too.
Mama Ricky's
I thought you went back to the base.
Mama Ricky's
No, I didn't go back to base.
Oh yeah?
He's like an alien.
Back to the base. No, I just stayed there and
Look at Rich. Man, I'm with bullets, bro.
He's spraying tall.
He's asleep. What?
Jeremy, your arm's in the room there.
We cornered him right there.
You guys could have rushed
Jeremy
in.
do suicide. I was like, oh damn.
Where's this video?
Shit. I saw you. What the you guys sticking your hands out there? I was like,
I pushed him that way
didn't know
because I
you
got
were
Jake
there. I can't do that. It's a clear shot.
though.
Look
He was
at that.
arguing with the corner or up there. Whose teams are at it?